What's up, everyone? This is Aron Prins for FBGroupAutoPoster.com, and today I'm here to take you through the process of scheduling posts and basically using the poster to its maximum capacity for your marketing efforts. So here we are on our website, FBGroupAutoPoster.com, and if you have not created your account yet, you can join for free, and you can sign up either for the free plan, the standard, or the premium plan. Just fill out your details, and you'll get redirected to PayPal, pay your fee, and you'll get instant access to whatever plan you take. So for now, I'm obviously already a member, so I'm gonna hit login to continue, and I will put in my details, have the system log me in, and now once I'm here, I can go to the main page. If you're not automatically redirected, you can go here. You can either go to the free poster, the premium auto poster, for standard or premium, whatever you have. We click on the poster. Now, if this is your first time landing on this page, if you read, you see we use two-step authentication. Basically, this means that you need to create a separate account just for your poster, right? So this is nothing to do with the login screen that we just went through. This is a completely separate system. So you click on register, you put out your details here, which I recommend use the same email and username as the main login. So if there's ever any issues, we can easily look up your details inside the auto poster system. So I'm gonna hit cancel for now because I obviously already have a test account created. Now, this is what happens when you first get into our system, right? So it says here, please go to the settings menu and configure the Facebook application. So you click on settings, and you need to provide your app ID, your app secret. Now, right now you probably don't have that, so let me take you through the process on how to actually set up your account. So once you're here for the first time, you need to register. This is developers.facebook.com. This place allows you to create apps to use, in this case, for the poster or any other software that requires a Facebook app. You click on create a new app. You need to register as a developer first, go through that process, do whatever to get through it, and then you'll have the option to create a new app, right? So I'm gonna call this Aron Prins tool, right? AP tool. This should work. I would go with apps for pages. Now I can't use the AP tool. Let's add a couple zeros to see if I can create that. AP testing tool. Maybe that'll work. Do create, right? So then they'll ask me to verify the app. Now I can't really read it to be honest, but I'll give it a shot. It seems to accept it. So now what Facebook does is it creates the app for you, provides the tools, the details, and basically sets everything up. So later on, you can literally connect to Facebook with the app and our tool. So once you're here, there's a couple of settings that we need to go through. Here's the app ID already and the app secret, which we will get to in a minute. First, let's go to settings and add our app domain. In this case, it's FBGroupAutoPoster.com. We'll use one of my email addresses here. We're going to add a platform, which is obviously a website. And now here's the important part. This is the URL to visit the poster. So in this case, we add in the full URL, which in this case is FBGroupAutoPoster.com/autoposter. Okay? We're going to hit Save Changes. It's going to save all the details and will allow us later on to connect. We're going to go to Status and Review. We're going to put this to yes so everyone can use the app. And now we're going to go back to the dashboard. And let me see if I still remember my details. Yeah, there we go. So we're going to copy the app ID. And we're going to paste it in our box. Do the same thing with the app secret. we're going to hit save settings. Now the settings are saved, as you can see. And if we go back to the dashboard, now we can actually log in, right? So instead of the warning message, like, hey, go to settings and fix it, this is the login. So we click login for the first time, and it'll first off show you an error, which we can completely ignore, because we are the app creators, so we can use it to the full extent. Receive details, just confirm everything, basically. Here's another very important thing. I've had reports where people say, like, hey, I can view my post, but no one else can. Most of the time, it's because of the fact that this is set to friends, right? And most of the people in groups are not your friends, so they won't be able to see it. So click on friends, hit public, then click on OK. It will ask you to manage your pages, okay? I want the tool to be able to manage my pages. And what it's going to do, it's going to reconnect to our system, and once done, right now, it's going to loop you through to our program, and now you're logged in. You can see your profile. Our tool allows you to schedule posts to your profile. It allows to post to groups, and it allows you to post to the liked pages and to managed pages. Just a little word here about the managed pages. If you select one of these pages, it will automatically post as the page. So it wouldn't say like, hey, Aron Prins posted to page X. It would say page X posted to page X, right? Which is the one you own. We've created several, shortcut buttons basically, so you don't have to, select everything individually. Just hit all groups, and it would select all the groups, as you can see here. You can add a message, a link, a picture, a name, caption, description. You can set the schedule date to anywhere in the future, at any time, with any interval. Okay? So let me do a test message real quick. Now, I'm going to hit Command F, as I have my own test group, so to speak, which I have now selected. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to publish the post at 5 minutes, right? Maybe I'm going to add the link here for ease and hit publish post. It'll add it to the schedules list, which can be found in the left menu. See, success, it has been posted. Now I've added a word of warning. Make sure that you schedule one post at a time. So now remember, we just scheduled the post, so within 5 minutes of now, probably already 30 seconds or so, but 5 minutes, it will post the test message that we've just scheduled. Now, if you think, hey, nothing happens, and you put in all the details again, and you're adding it at the same time, and you're posting to 730 groups, sometimes like I am, you're going to post like every other minute, right? Because it does end up in the schedules list. I'll go there for a sec, so you see there's one scheduled list here right now. But as said, if you have multiple here with the same date and the same time on one account, it's most likely that Facebook's going to block you. So make sure that you don't do that, to make sure. So you can find the info here. You can see this started about 2 minutes ago, and it will post in another 3 minutes. I can preview the post, like so. I can track the clicks. I can edit the post, so it hasn't posted yet. If I edit it now and hit submit, it will be edited before it goes out to Facebook. Now let's say that we've scheduled to 730 groups, right? Once you scheduled the post and it's finished and you want to reschedule the same post, simply hit the clock icon, and you can set the date again, set the time, hit reschedule, and it will start posting from the start at any given date and time, right? If you do that while the post is still running, which is possible, it will not show here. If you roll over the info, it will still show the initial date that you posted it on. Why? Because it's not done. Once it's done, you will see that it reschedules it right after that automatically, and it will post. Another very cool feature that we built in, which was most requested, were the group lists. Group lists, basically, let's say you have multiple opportunities you're promoting. Once you create a group list, right? So let me click here. Let's add a group list. So it right now it loaded all of my groups, right? And I want to create a group list, main ops. Now I'm going to check all the groups, but I'm going to take one out, MNU. I've had some complaints from the owners, and I will remove that. I'll hit submit. It saves, right? The page will refresh, and it will add the list here, main ops, right? And it adds it to me, basically. Now if we go to the dashboard, back to the dashboard, a new field will pop up, define group lists. So if we open this up, here we have the list main ops. If we check this, you don't have to check anything in here, because it will automatically post to all the groups that you selected in that list, which is ideal, as said, if you have multiple opportunities. Now, while I'm talking and explaining to you how my software works, in the schedules page, it should have posted. You should have posted to the group, right? Now, let's visit the group real quick. And here's the test message, right? By the app Aron Prins tool test message. Welcome to the Facebook group poster. Now, right now it doesn't show it up here because I probably clicked too early. But if I refresh this, I actually see that it posted right to the group, and it will show a green check mark. That's basically it. If you have any questions, you're always free to submit a ticket to the support center, and either me or my team will get back to you. Here is the tutorial section, which is inside the standard and premium poster. It will show you again how to create your Facebook app, how to use the premium poster, and it will explain some other neat features that we've built in, which I simply have not explained in the tutorial because it's not needed to actually get started. Once again, thank you for your interest in the Facebook group Auto Poster. My name is Aron Prins, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.